Pack a snack, mastering everyday English phrases. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, pack a snack. This is a common phrase in everyday English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's dive in. Pack a snack is a phrase that combines two words, pack, meaning to put something into a container, and snack, a small amount of food eaten between meals. When combined, the phrase refers to the action of preparing a small portion of food to take with you, usually in a bag or container. You can use pack a snack in various situations, especially when planning for a trip, a workday, or school. For example, if you're going on a hike, you might pack a snack to eat during the journey. It's a practical phrase, often used in casual conversation. To help you understand better, here are some example sentences. I always pack a snack for my kids' school break. Before we go on our road trip, let's pack some snacks. Do you want to pack a snack for the movie? In many English-speaking countries, packing a snack is a common practice, especially for people with busy lifestyles. It reflects a culture of preparedness and the importance of staying energized throughout the day. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, pack a snack, better. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little nuances that make it special. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.